Good afternoon, sir. These are the presentation of our case study. Title is Dental Clinic Management. A case study presented to Faculty of Santa Rita College, Pampanga, Santa Rita, Pampanga. Submitted by Kenneth Manuel, Jericho Carosona, Kyle Galilong, and Albert David Jr. So, Chapter 1, Introduction, Desktop Application. When opposed to Office-based solution net solution solutions net purposes grant numerous industrial benefits. Reduce corporate price by means of spending less time on the telephone with consumers, removing printed documents, and allowing users to replace their own information. Data that is centralized is protected and simple to back up. Updates are easy and quick. An internal browser is required to run web-based apps. A serverless internet software is shown in the reference architecture. Writing reports, producing spreadsheets, processing photos, keeping records, establishing websites, and calculating fees are all examples of these tasks in distinction to web page, which often use use internet servers abnormally preserve their records domestically on cell devices. As a result, records retrieval in mobile app is lightning fast. Apps can keep customers even greater time by way of remembering their preferences and taking proactive steps on their behalf. Benefits of using desktop application. Number one, users can use it on all devices. Personalization of different devices. Integration with other systems. Eliminates maintenance problems. Greater flexibility and scalability. Protect your data and use desktop application. Next is about the desktop application. The Dental Clinic Management System or DCMS primarily based totally at the open supply. CMS evolved with the aid of using Integrator Technology Group. Is contracted to streamline and standardize digital devices specially designed for dental practitioners. DCMS set user pleasant and complete capabilities protecting widespread image enabled affected person records, configurable remedies and billing plans, and incorporated inventory, bills, and reviews management. Chapter 2 is system design. In system design, we have the doctor table, appointment table, and medicine table, nurse table, patient table, payment table, problem table, staff table, user table, and we have also the database design. The next one, coding. Features of programming language or Python. Easy to code. Python is a very developer friendly language, which means the anyone and everyone can learn to code it in a couple of hours days as compared to other object-oriented programming language like Java, Java C, Java, C++, and C#. Python 1, Python Python is one of the easiest to learn. Open source and free. Python is an open source programming language, which means that anyone can create and contribute to its development. Python has on online forum where thousands of coders gather daily to improve this language further. Along with this, Python is free download and use in any operating system, be it, be it Windows, Mac, or Linux. Support for GUI, support for GUI. GUI or graphical user interface is one of the key aspects of any programming language because it has the ability to add layer to code and make the results more visual. Python has support for a wide array of GUIs which can easily be imported to the interpreter, thus making this one of the most favorite language for developers. Object-oriented approach. One of the key aspects of Python is its object-oriented approach. This basically means that Python recognizes the concept of class and object encap- encapsulation, thus allowing programs to be efficient in the long run. High-level language. Python has been designed to be a high-level programming language, which means that when you code in Python, you don't need to aware of the coding structure, architecture, as well as memory management. Integrated by name. Python is in a integrated language by nature. This means the Python in interpreter executes code on line at a time, unlike other object-oriented programming languages. We don't need to compile Python code, thus making the debugging process much easier, easier and efficient. Another advantage of this that upon execution, the Python code is immediately converted into a intermediate form, also known as bytecode, which makes it easier to execute and also save runtime in the long run, which makes highly portable. Suppose you are running Python on Windows and need to ship the same to either a Mac or a Linux system, then you can easily achieve the same in Python without having to worry about changing the code. This is possible in the programming languages. This make this make thus making Python on the mass portable languages available in the industry. Codes. Chapter 4. Conclusion and recommendation. Conclusion. The use of statistic era in fitness care collectively with dental fitness are advancing and may be a de facto regular in scientific observe. And free and open delivery gives a less expensive and dependable diverse to the highly priced commercial enterprise dental data system. Although some of up this time, but with the winning similar alternatives of modern nature software. So software, software program gadget and extra insight the improvement stage. It's absolutely a remember of its low without free and open software program gadget deliver dental statistic gadget to be the dominant software program gadget hard hard by a way of means of dental practitioners. Recommendation: this device goes with a view to generate record regarding the sanatorium operation. As an example, the amount of affected person in step with day and general collection in step with day. This technique is prepared to look at the stock for the medication in sanatorium. The goal person for this technique is people of sanatorium, physician, and moreover the management. This is our main class for our system. First, you need to log in. You can create our information for a user information. This is our the content of our user table. You can create our you can create the you, you can create the doctor of our this table. This is the doctor information. Nurse information is create in information method. This is the nurse table. This is the stop creating a information method. This is the stop table. This is the problem information creating method and the problem table. And next is this is the medicine information creating a table. This is the medicine information table. This is the appointment information creating a method. And next one is this is the appointment information table. The next one is this is the patient information creating a method. And next one is the payment information table. This is the payment information creating method. The last one is the payment information table. And that's it, sir. Thank you for listening. Good day.